Includes dash kit, wire harness and connectors. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Kit is made from high-quality ABS, harness is made from factory-quality wires and connectors. Kit is precision designed for a gapless fit, color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. The Install Centric ICFD8BN complete installation solution is an ideal choice for installing an aftermarket stereo into your Ford, Lincoln, Mercury 2004-12 vehicles without altering the dash. Everything you need to perform a basic aftermarket stereo installation is included: the dash kit, wire harness and wire connectors. The single DIN dash kit includes a kit panel, a trim ring and brackets, and is manufactured from high-grade ABS with precision tolerances, so it delivers a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. The wire harness allows you to connect to the factory harness without cutting any wires. The ICFD8BN kit includes step-by-step instructions and colored-coded wires for an easier installation. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for 2006 Ford Expedition. This kit had everything I needed to install a dual stereo to my 2006 Ford Expedition. The wiring was very simple and the bracket was easy to assemble and install.